Mabuhay!
Today, we're not just visiting Mactan, Lapu-Lapu. We're diving deep into its rich heritage of indigenous crafts and artistry.
So join us as we discover those stories, skills, and souls behind those handmade treasures in this vibrant island.
Copy shells are translucent. Delicate shells are often used in Filipino crafts for making lamps, window panels, and decorative items. Their natural shimmer makes them a popular material for elegant home decor.
A traditional Filipino bag made from woven abaca, pandan leaves, or other natural fibers. Bayong bags are eco-friendly and often used for shopping or casual outings due to their durability and rustic charm.
Accessories made from various seashells found along the Philippine shores. These include earrings, necklaces, and bracelets, offering a tropical beach-inspired aesthetic.
Handicraft guitars are unique musical instruments made by skilled artisans. Each guitar is carefully built using high-quality wood and traditional techniques, resulting in superior sound and playability compared to mass-produced guitars. They are often visually appealing, showcasing the maker's artistry.
A woven bag crafted from rattan, offering a trendy and eco-conscious alternative to synthetic materials. These bags are lightweight and are often used for beach outings or casual wear.
Heart-shaped seashell trinket box. This heart-shaped jewelry box crafted with shells showcases traditional native artistry, symbolizing love and cultural heritage. Each shell is carefully arranged to create a decorative and meaningful piece used for storing small treasures or as a unique gift.
The colorful Filipino abaca nut bag is a handcrafted product made from durable, eco-friendly abaca fiber, showcasing intricate net designs and vibrant colors that reflect the country's rich artisan tradition. Commonly found in markets and in tourist spots like here in Cebu. These bags are both practical and a symbol of Filipino culture and sustainability.
These craft items made from the outer shell of coconuts. These crafts are often turned into bowls, buttons, or decorative objects, showcasing the ingenuity of Filipino artisans.
A burlap wallet is a small eco-friendly pouch made from a coarse woven fabric, typically jute or hemp. It is lightweight, durable, and often used for storing coins, cards, or small personal items with a rustic handmade look.
Bags that made from abaca fibers, known for their strength and natural beauty. These eco-friendly bags are perfect for casual use, made with intricate designs and patterns by Filipino artisans.
May hapon sa tanan, naata diri sa Mactan Liberty Shrine, Masbak Souvenir Shop. Hello, mga adlaw na. Pwede ko mga tanan kung sa may pangalan ng ilang komunidad?
Geraldine Perez, residing ka is Mactan, Baybayon, 58 years old.
Ayun, ano pwede ko din pipili na
Actually, girl, this shop is not really mine. I'm just a worker of this, earning with 250 per day. Why I am here? It's because of the set kawadon or kalisod sa pagpakabuhian ng butana. And at the same time, I'm a single mom trying hard to educate my children.
So, pinalapit ka katuloy?
Almost 2 years na ko din dapita, but actually, naguna ko dito ubos. Way back before na may souvenir shop dito, So nag-close sila kay Venus naman ang tawag. So to kill also is kanang dili na pabo ng atangin na close sila dito. So nabalik dito. Kasi ka ng mga sikat na mahalinan if ever na actually ma'am, we're just the same product. So I could not answer you directly. Pila ka to is 2 years old. Although here, way back before is daghan ang turista ng makanhi. Nowadays, it's only few are coming. Few are coming, pachamba lang, kung mahalinan ka. But one thing, I rest assured myself, I pray in silent, Lord, halini po ko para na ako'y malungang, na ako'y mapakiti sa akong mga estudyante to provide their school needs like Xerox copy, research. So, in that way, I stand for my own single man trying hard na bisag inong ani akong pangita, makaprovide ko para sa akong pagkakas. The rest are handmade, but the rest nga anang ikumpra lang po, ka lang kagamay. In terms of shells, it's handmade. Handmade, making shells, making necklace, bracelet, welcome necklace, souvenir.
Unsa imong mga inspirasyon ma'am? Anong nag-start ka o kanang kaligraph?
Mga inspirasyon is number one, the future of my kids. It doesn't mean nga ako silang ipa-eskwela kay parang mo balos or they're going to pay with us in return, but it's not that way. Naningkamot ko, bisagin na ni akong panginabuhi para sa ilaha. It's because kung makahuman sila eskwela, what I've been experiencing is because ilang masunod ang akong kalisod. So when you finish with your studies kids, at least you have your own freedom to choose kung isa na akal na how much within sa inyong kung makahuman ka eskwela. One thing to make sure na unta ang akong kawadod, ang akong kalisod, akong pakipiso is kanang dili naku kayang ipasunod sa inyo. That's why I'm trying hard. So, isang inyong ani nga pangita, go, laban lang.
Wow! Thank you kayo, ma'am.
The Filipino craft. Each of these crafts reflects the rich and cultural heritage and creativity of Filipino artisans, often utilizing natural, sustainable materials that native to the Philippines.
Thank you for joining us today as we explore the rich heritage of indigenous crafts.
Right here in Lapu-Lapu, Mactan.
From weaving to woodcraft.
To witness the heart and soul of the Filipino creativity.
Continue to support and preserve to our local artisans. Their work tells stories that go beyond. We hope you learned something new and felt the beauty of our culture.
See you in our next adventure.
Mabuhay and daghang salamat!
Ako magtatanong sa inyo.
Join us as we discover those stories, skills.
Wow!
Sumakay ako sa jeepney, ikaw ang nakatabi, di makapaniwala.
Hold on.
Ayan na naman si ate ko. Naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-gandahan. In-game na naman si bakla. Oo.